Yo, what up everyone, it's your boy AlteredTech, back again with a new video. And in today's video, we're going to review the Pop Voice PV5110 Plus Lavalier microphone. Now, this is actually my first Lavalier microphone, and this is something I actually wanted for quite a long time, pretty much because when I'm doing videos using smartphones, sometimes the microphones, they're not that great, and it actually helps to have a lavalier microphone. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this and actually show you guys how it actually performs. Hopefully it does perform pretty good. Now you can get this for just about 10 bucks. So I am reviewing this based on the price. So as a $10 microphone, does this perform well? Well, we're about to find out. So let's just look at the back. So with the 4-pin to 3-pin adapter included, the mic will work on PC, laptop, desktop, most recorders. Yeah, so okay, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and open it up. So for the overall presentation, it looks pretty decent, nothing too flashy. Let's open it up. Okay, so we do get a nice little bag, and the company is called Pop Voice. So let's see what we get. So here we have a little instruction manual, I'm guessing. Let's see, so laptop, desktop. If you want help and support, you can contact them. Step 1, fully plug the microphone. Step 2, find the recorder button on your phone. Okay, pretty simple, pretty simple. So for this, you get the lavalier microphone. Oh, you actually get a clip, you get Velcro, the PC adapter, a wind muff, and a pouch. So let's go ahead and see if we get all those things. So we do have the clip. I guess everything's connected. You have the mic, you have the wind muff. And what else do we have? Oh, we have extra wind muffs. Oh, nice. So I guess let's say you're wearing maybe something red, or depending on what you're wearing, you want to change up the color, you definitely could do that. And you do have the PC adapter. Not exactly sure why you would need this, but okay, that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the quality of this lavalier microphone. Now here you do have the muffler. Seems to be pretty good condition. Now here we have a microphone up on top, and on the sides we do have cutouts over here as well. So maybe that should help when it comes to 360-degree audio recording. We'll find out when it comes to the testing. So I'm just gonna put this over here. Now we do have a clip. Should definitely get the job done. Now if you're buying a $10 lavalier microphone, you're most likely on a budget. So far the clip, it's definitely, you're not gonna have any issues with that. It seems to be pretty sturdy. It's not made of gold, I'm gonna tell you that. It's pretty much just was it plastic or metal? Yeah, it's definitely metal. So it should definitely be sturdy. Clips on pretty good because you do have that rigid teeth on it, so it's not going to fall off your shirt or anything. So that's a plus. And this, you do get a lot of cable. So if you're doing some long distance talking from your device, this should definitely be enough to get you through. And as for the headphone jack, now usually when you're getting devices that are maybe like under $5, under 10 bucks, usually they're low quality, but this, I gotta say, I am impressed. I'm glad to see that it's not that cheap type of jack, but we will have to do some further testing to actually see how it actually performs. Sometimes we have those jacks which actually has some distortion or some static when you're actually just moving it around. Hopefully we don't have that same experience. Hey, what up everyone, this is AlteredTech, and I'm recording with the Galaxy S10. Now these are my two fishes, so let me know what you guys think about the audio recording. Now I'm not going to do any edits, so this is straight from the phone. So do let me know what you guys and girls think. I'm going to switch over to the lavalier microphone. Okay, so now I'm recording with the lavalier microphone. It's clipped on to my t-shirt. Yes, my room is in a mess, so let's focus on the fish. So yeah, so far I did get some snails, and you could see over here they've been laying some eggs, but those eggs aren't hatching. I'm not exactly sure if maybe they're just like empty eggs. Maybe something like what chickens do. They just hatch empty eggs when they're not fertilized. So I gotta do some research on that. So like I said, this is the lavalier microphone. It's clipped onto my t-shirt. If you guys want to see, you can probably see it in the reflection in the back. It's clipped onto my shirt. So do let me know. I'm actually very curious as well as to how this lavalier microphone is going to perform. If it performs really well, I'm actually going to use this when it comes to doing videos with my smartphone. So hopefully it sounds really well. So now I'm just going to switch back to the Galaxy S10's audio mic. Okay, so now I am back to the audio mic of the Galaxy S10. So I am speaking like pretty close to it, so it might sound a little louder. So do let me know down in the comment section below which one you think sounds better. This is AlteredTech signing out. Okay, wait, before you go, now I did listen to both tracks on the Galaxy S10's mic and on the Lavalier microphone. And right now I'm recording this using the Lavalier microphone, if you're wondering. So I just want to give you guys my thoughts real quick. Now the Lavalier microphone definitely seems to have a lot more bass. I think for just 10 bucks, it is pretty good. And I'll definitely be using this Lavalier mic to actually help me out. Especially on the OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6T, I'm not very too fond of the microphone. So this is definitely going to be an upgrade when it comes to using that. So this is AlteredTech with the pop voice Lavalier microphone, signing out for the second time and the final time. I hope you guys and girls have a great and wonderful day. Peace.